Alright, so got an 89 Caprice here. I'm having issues with my turn signal. So hopefully this will fix the problem. It is called turn signal flasher. Picked one up at Card Quest for about $10. Sorry, it's nighttime here. Electronic flasher. So let's go see if it'll work. Now the problem I've been having is you start the car and your turn signals work fine. But once it warms up, you flip the turn signal on and the light just glows, it won't flash. So let's see if this will solve the problem. Open the door. Just so you can see what I'm talking about, is that part right there. Pull it out. There, see it? Pull that out. This one's a little shorter, but hopefully this new one will work. Get it up in there. Alright. Let's see here, get some light in there. Alright, she's in. Just like that. So now, hopefully, my turn signals will work. Okay. Look at that, right turn signal's on, left turn signal's flashing. Now the hazards. Good enough for me. Might as well fire it up for you. 349.37. Not bad, I say. Light working. My one low beam looks burned out there on the driver's side, but not a big deal at the moment. Turn the lights on in here for you so you can see. And yeah, I don't know how good you can see because this camera obviously sucks. It's on my phone. There we got the radio. Oh, look at that. Sinatra. Even the Twilight Sentinel works in this car. All by itself. Anyway, that's how you replace your turn signal flasher. Just do a walk around to the car with the signal lights going, then I'll call her a night. Voila! Runs beautiful. Anyway, talk to you guys later. More videos to come.